We're back with the Caddy again today, and we've made some real progress. It's in park this time. Oh yeah. Brakes still do nothing, but guide her down into reverse. Move her back. Keep going. See, the light comes on the back, but brakes do nothing. Holy man. Throw her into neutral. And drop her down into drive. Oh yeah. That's more like it. She's back and ready to go. Throw her into neutral. Coast over. Put the car right here where I want it. And shut her down. Perfect. Yeah. That'll about do it. She's got forward, reverse, neutral. Dang near ready to go. Needs complete brakes, but at this point, I'm going to call it good enough and get her ready to go on to someone else who will appreciate the lack of options and do all the finishing touches.